So this video is going to take a estimating whole number times decimals word problem and break it down for you. So the problem we're going to be using today is this one. Lyric needs 32 strands of yarn for an art project. Each strand must measure 1 and 2500 centimeters long. About how much yarn does she need for the art project? So as always, we first want to talk about our total. So I'm seeing things like this. How much yarn does she need? Okay, that tells me that I don't know how much she needs. So I need to find my total. Well, remember, if I'm looking for totals, I either add or I multiply. So I continue on, and now I look for my labels. 32 strands, 1 and 2500th centimeter. Those are different labels. If my labels are different, I multiply or divide. So if I put those together, I can see over here that the operation that is the same between them is multiply. So that tells me that I do need to multiply. However, there's another super important word in this word problem, and that is the word about. Remember that if I see about or close to, words like that, that tells me that I need to estimate. So yes, my operation is multiply, but that means that I need to estimate and not find the real answer. So if I were going to do that, I know that 32 strands times 1.25 centimeters is what they're telling me up here. Okay, but that word about tells me I need to round. Well, I went ahead and I rounded this first, the 1 and 2500ths. And so thinking about what we just did together in class, 1 and 2500ths is closer to 1. So I left the 1, and then because of the identity property of multiplication, that 1, I know any number times 1 is that number. So I kept the 32. I did not round it because I can do 32 times 1 in my head. So my estimate is that 32 strands times 1 centimeter each gives me 32. Oh, that shouldn't be strands, that should be centimeters.